Welcome to CBS Canvas by Srinivas. Today let's design this 3D effect using Canva. Go to canva.com, click on create, select YouTube thumbnail, go to elements, type 3D phone, select this phone, make it little bit bigger and change the colors to black, all the colors, and go to elements and select this image, flip it horizontally and make this little bit transparent so that we can align both the pictures properly, and make it bigger like this. Change back the transparency to 100. Download the page in this way. Open another page. Upload the image and go to first page. Remove the background, crop the image, and go to edit, select duotone and go to customs and change the color. Pick the color from this phone and again pick the color from this phone. Change the background color to black. Download this picture. Go to second page. Now this is the important step. Go to apps, blend image. Select this app. This is the top layer and this is the bottom layer. Now go to multiply. Now add to design. Now remove these two things. Now remove the background color. Select this image, go to edit, go to shadows and select the backdrop and change the direction to backside. That's it. This is the final result. If you like this design, like, comment, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more designs like this. Thank you so much.